now you're going to work in your garden and cook,
That's what
right?
I'm doing nowadays.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you? Are you? Yeah, avid
My
gardener?
wife is very happy that I'm actually cooking, and she said, "Okay, after 34 years, you are you are now taking over."
You're taking over her kitchen. Yeah, I'll have to corroborate this story and find out if she is actually happy you're home. She's probably saying, "Don't you have anything better to do than hang around, invade my kitchen, tell me how to cook?"
We do not occupy the same space at the same time, so
I'm looking at a picture of you doing a barbecue
yes,
in front
yes.
of Vectorworks.
That's the Vectorworks. Every day we have the annual barbecue in summer, and we used to
Yeah,
do.
yeah. So the company knows you as a cook. I don't know if
Yes.
they knew about your gardening, but yeah. So what's in your garden? What do you, flowers or
No, it's
vegetables or?
just vegetables. I mean, I grow like, mostly lots of different kinds of chilies and squashes and green peppers, bell peppers and stuff like that.
Right. So despite the barbecue, are you doing Indian food? Are you cooking
Yeah,
Indian
yeah,
food?
mostly Indian
Yeah,
food. Yeah, I had
yeah.
a famous. Everybody used to call it Biplab's chicken. When I, this
Yeah.
was, we used to have this, kind of dinner lunches, Thanksgiving lunches, where everybody would bring something, and so I used to get my famous Biplab's chicken, and everybody used to wait for that. So I'm very famous for my chicken recipe.
Do you care to divulge anything, or is that a
Yeah,
secret, like the kernel?
it's a chicken with bell pepper and tomatoes and basically with all Indian spices.
All Indian
It comes
spices?
out very well, I must say.
Yeah.
So
Well, if it has broad appeal, you probably don't make it as hot as you want to, right?
yeah, you
You do?
can, you could.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
All
mean,
right.
we actually eat quite hot food. Not my daughter, but my me and my wife. We can really get into it quite hot. But
Uh,
yeah, nowadays with the age, I think I'm kind of mellowing down on that front.
I'm just looking for ideas on what to do after I retire. And, right?
Yeah, you're still going strong, so I don't know.
I find it very difficult to leave. I'm, I'm wondering how people do it. You seem to be comfortable in it, but
No,
I,
I'm actually well, I mean, I'm not that comfortable. I mean, after 6 months, I kind
yeah.
of thought that maybe I need to do something.
What maybe market Biplab's chicken